Adell Means. My business is Resource and Supply, and I'm part of Hoosier AI 1000. I've used AI for multiple things. One, it was just kind of, started off with just email, working with easy prompting, just kind of what came off the top of my head, to write simple emails or to complicate or rewrite the email a little bit more. Things have definitely changed since getting into the Hoosier AI 1000 class. Now it's not only the email, but it's how do we create workflows? How do we simplify workflows? Where does automation come in with the workflow? It's important to train as many people in our community because I think you need a baseline. I think you need a starting point. AI, there's no doubt, AI is going to be all around us. And if you don't start, first of all, you have to overcome the stigma, you have to overcome some potential fears, and establishing a baseline of how to do simple prompt engineering. It's going to think with you. It's going to learn how you think. When you start to look at education, you start to look at manufacturing, you start to look at different fields. It's not that AI is going to, factual, it's going to take jobs, but it likely will not take the jobs of people who know how to work with it. So I think that you have to start at some point, and for those that don't have the resources that some of us may have, this is an excellent opportunity to really get your hands a little dirty, get your feet wet, and have a good starting point.